In this video, we are going to review what a volcano is, the different types of volcanoes, the different parts of a volcano. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust that allows lava, ash, and gases to escape the Earth's surface. When talking about volcanoes, it is important to know that there are three types of volcanoes. These include: active volcanoes are classified as volcanoes that have erupted recently, are erupting currently, or are likely to erupt in the near future. Dormant or sleeping volcanoes are volcanoes that have not erupted for a long time, but may erupt again in the near future. Extinct or dead volcanoes are volcanoes that have not erupted in recorded history. An example of an active volcano would be Mount Etna in Sicily in Italy. An example of a dormant volcano would be the volcanoes in Yellowstone National Park in the USA. An example of an extinct or dead volcano would be Sleamish in County Antrim in Ireland. Now let's take a look at the different parts of a volcano and understand some of the key things we need to know when talking about volcanoes. Normally when we hear about volcanoes, it is usually because an active or dormant volcano has erupted. An eruption is when lava is released or flows onto the Earth's surface. Lava is melted rock, usually referred to as molten rock, which has been released onto the Earth's surface. Magma is a molten rock that has not yet reached the Earth's surface. Magma is stored in magma chambers underneath the Earth's crust. Magma rises up through a tunnel called a vent, which is on the inside of the volcano. The crater is at the top of the volcano where the lava explodes and flows out onto the Earth's surface. Ash and bits of rock called volcano bombs explode from the crater. As the lava flows out onto the Earth's surface, it forms a cone shape, which is why volcanoes have this distinct shape. On completion of this video, you should have a better understanding of what a volcano is, the different types of volcanoes, the different parts of a volcano.